Hello everyone, I am going to discuss a 2-mark question from GATE 2025, question number 40. It's from the topic Signals and Systems, Convolution Property. So the question is like this: let the continuous time signals x1 of t and x2 of t be as given here. So there are two functions x1 of t and x2 of t defined over here. Consider the convolution y of t is equal to x1 of t convolution x2 of t, then integral minus infinity to infinity y of t dt is. So 4 options are given. So refer to this NPTEL course lecture link for a detailed discussion of this particular topic. So to discuss the key facts of this question. So as you see in the question, this integral minus infinity to infinity y of t dt is nothing but the area under the curve y of t. Okay, and from the question, x1 of t and x2 of t are two functions defined. Now convolution of these two functions is y of t. Okay, so based on the convolution sum and the area property, how we can write? So area under the function curve y of t is nothing but area under the function x1 of t multiplied by area under the function x2 of t. So this is the area property of the convolution sum. So this is the convolution sum area property. Now let us see how we can solve this question. So let us quickly write down what is x1 of t. So to represent x1 of t, how we can do that, x1 of t and t. So from this 0 to 1, the value of x1 of t remains as 1. So this is 0 and 1, and then from 1 to 2, the function is 2 minus t, so which is nothing but like this. Okay, now similarly let us look at the function x2 of t. Let us quickly see how to to see the function x2 of t. So in the interval 0 to 1, it is function t, which is a linear curve, and then this is 1, and from the interval 1 to 2 you have the function 2 minus t. So this is t and this is 2 minus t, and 0 elsewhere. Now let us see based on the area property. So because y of t is convolution of x1 of t and x2 of t, and based on the convention and area property, area of y is equal to area x1 multiplied by area x2. So area x1 is find out the area under this, 1 into 1 plus half 1 into 1. Similarly, area under x2 is, So this is the function half 1 into 1 and another half 1 into 1. Which is nothing but 1. So now finally area under y is 1.5 into 1, which is nothing but 1.5. So this area under y is nothing but the integral minus infinity to infinity y of t dt, which is equal to 1.5. So the answer option is A.